Hey everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Quick Math. Today we're going to solve this limit problem here, and from inspection you might think there's no limit for this problem because, if we were to plug in for 1, we're going to get 1 over 1 minus 1 plus 1 over, that's going to be 1 minus 3 plus 2. It's going to give you 1 over 0 plus 1 over 0, right? And that would not necessarily be correct, because if we were to rewrite this limit as the following here, what we want to do is we want to combine the two fractions into a single fraction. And if you remember from adding fractions, you could just add crisscross applesauce. Like you multiply the top left by the denominator of the second, and then you add plus the denominator of the first times the second. That'll be giving us x squared minus 3x plus 2, because that's 1 times this here, plus x minus 1 times 1, it's just x minus 1. And now we can go ahead and multiply the denominators right here. X minus 1 times x squared minus 3x plus 2. And that'll give us the following here. There's another step after this here, which is going to be factor out this here, represent the trinomial as a product of two binomials. So what we're going to do there is rewrite that trinomial as, what would that be? That would be x minus 2 minus 1. That's right. Plus x minus 1. And I hope this is legible. Divided by x minus 1 times, again the same thing, x minus 2 times x minus 1. And now we can factor a few things out. I'm going to use a different color here. We can go ahead and factor a x minus 1 from the numerator and the denominator, which is great because now I could rewrite this as the following here, x minus 1 times x minus 2 plus 1 all over x minus 1 times x minus 2, well, x minus 1 times x minus 2. We could cancel these things out. Now we can do a little bit more simplification here. From here on, it's just some algebra tricks, which is great, doing the algebra tricks. We're going to go ahead and combine minus 2 and 1. That'll give us minus 1. Divided by x minus 1 times x minus 2. And look at that! We can cancel another one of these out. And that'll leave us with the limit as x approaches 1 of 1 over x minus 2. Now if we were to plug this in, we're going to get 1 over 1 minus 2, which is negative 1. Huzzah! Pretty cool problem, right guys? It seemed like it was one of those problems that don't have a limit, but after doing some magical math moves, turns out that it does have a limit. Well, that's going to be it for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Make sure to hit that like, subscribe button, and take care. Have a good night.